Listen, anyone can do this, even you. Well, let's get to it. You know what I'm saying? First, you need a case which carries all the components. If you want to use it for gaming, graphics card, that's where the graphics card comes in. And your CPU is going to help with efficiency, okay? How quickly you can get things done, okay? Your RAM, all you need to look out for is two things, okay? Speed and space. The more of that you got, the better off you are. Also, we need power. The power supply provides power. Always make sure that it's safe, okay? The last thing we want to see is, see you on the news after you blow up your whole house, you know what I'm saying? No, we want you to be safe out there, you know what I'm saying? And for all those components to work, we need a motherboard. Yeah, it's like building the Avengers, you know what I'm saying?